Good morning, it is ClayTrader and it is 9:26 a.m. Eastern Time. Just looking at Twitter right now, you can see a relatively big volume, gap up of $1.35 right now. So this will be on the top of the radar along with my typical Facebook and a few others. So we'll see what happens, but just wanted to kind of get the video going before market opens. That way, I'm ready to go to start to try to capture some trades. So I will keep you posted after the market opens. Okay, I have an order in at 59.70 here to go long, and then I'll look to sell at 59.75 for. So I'm in now, looking to sell at 59.75 for a 5-cent score to the upside. So let's see what happens here. And I am out. So there's a quick $75. I'll see if I can catch some more trades here. Right now I have an order in at 59.60. That's where this moving average is right now. You can see 59.60. Would like to see a pullback to it. Then I'd feel confident going long. Whether or not that pullback happens, we will see. But that's at least the logic behind where I have my current order in at. So I will keep you posted and let you know if well, here we're getting a pullback here. But anyways, got a ways to go before it's looking at the 60 area. So I will keep you posted. I did cancel that order just because with the update of the chart, this moving average then moved up, and I liked it where it was, but not where it currently is right now. So here's that pullback. Actually, I think it just hit. How low did it go? 59.57. So I would have been in and out. So yeah, that still would have worked out, but as far as the chart which I was playing, I just didn't like how the moving average hopped up there. So missed out on one there, but you gotta follow the plan. Just follow your instincts, and newsflash, your instincts aren't always going to be 100% right, which is what you just saw right there. But that's fine. Plenty more opportunities left, as it's only 9:43 a.m. Eastern Time. So long day ahead. No need to rush into anything. Okay, I have order in here to buy at 59. Well, moving around. So anyways, 59.50 is where I have the order. I thought I was going to catch it. Maybe we'll get it here. And then again, I'll look for just a 5-cent score. So I will pause it and do my best here to catch it. Okay, getting close here. Well, it was close. And let it run here, see if we can. There's a 50s. So I'm in now, looking to get out at 59.55. So I'll let it run here a little bit. I like the entry, but if I need to buy some more, that's fine, and build a little bit bigger of a position, I can do that. But right now, looking to get out at 59.55. Let's see, we're at 3 minutes on the video, so I can let this run a little bit longer here. We can see what happens with the trade. Again, if you've never watched, this will turn green like it did there if I get out, which I did. So there's another $75 profit on a 5-cent score. See if I can catch another one here. Have an order in at 59.15, which is where this long-term moving average is. Not sure if it'll drop down there, but what I would ideally like to see happen is on the same candle, have just one big red candle form and go down and hit it. If it goes slowly down there, I don't want to see that. I'd rather have some big red candle all in one period hit it. That would be the ideal situation. Obviously, right now, price is still up in the 40s, so it's got a ways to go before, so on this candle exactly, if it could just come all the way down there and hit that, that would be beautiful, and that's what I'm ideally looking for. So we will see if that happens or not. We'll see if this plan unfolds. We're getting some downwards action. Still has a ways to go, though. So I will keep you posted, though, on this move and see if this can unfold. But like I said, if now if a new candle starts to form and it doesn't hit it on this one, I'm probably not going to be interested anymore in it. But we'll see. Like I said, I'd love to see it come all the way down here on this candle and hit it. We're actually starting to get somewhat close, so I'll keep it moving here, or keep it filming, I should say. See if we can get down there. And now it's starting to head back up. So I will keep you posted. Okay, what I now did was I changed it to 5905. Like I said, I wanted it to hit it on that candle. It did not. So now what could happen is it could come down here and break through this because it doesn't have as much room to travel and then surge downwards. But where the 5-minute chart is, that's telling me that 5905 would be a very nice risk versus reward entry. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Like I already mentioned in the video, I'm not going to rush into anything. The market's got a long ways open, only 950 right now. So you just stick with the risk versus rewards that you like, and over time things are going to add up. So that's what I'm doing here. And who knows, maybe it'll come down here and bounce, and that'll be a perfect entry. But it's all about your personal risk tolerance. And I just don't feel comfortable, getting that entry right there. So we'll see what happens, and I'll keep you posted regardless if it looks like we're going to get some action around the 59.15, which is, remember, okay, here we go, 59.15 is where so I would have been in now. You can see 59.14s were printing, so I'd be in. So let's see if I could get my 59.20, which is what I originally wanted. So we're going to need to see some 59.20. So yeah, I would have been okay, but like I said, it's just a matter of where you got to feel comfortable with, and it would have worked, but I just didn't like it. So I'll see you. I'll keep you posted. I still do like 59.05 though, I should say. So I'll let you know if I can get filled at that point. Okay, we're getting close to possibly getting me filled, and I'm in. So I'm going to look to get out at 59.15, and what I'm thinking is just an oversized move to the downside here. So we'll see if we can get a bounce here. Like I said, I like the entry from the 5-minute chart. So, it made sense to me in terms of risk versus reward. So, and I'm being a little bit more aggressive, going for a 10-cent score instead of, what I usually do is the 5-cent score. So going for a 10-cent score right now, because again, I like the chance for at least a bounce up to the 59.15 area. And again, just watch down here. If that turns green, that'll be representing my order getting filled for where I want to get out. And if we can't get it here, then I'm just going to adjust that down. So we failed on that bounce. So what I'm going to do now is just move that down and try to get out here at the 59.08. Some big size right there. Again, this will turn green if I get out. I readjusted it down to 59.08. So I'm out, and the reason I did that was you saw it was trying to get up here, and watch it hit 15 now. Actually, I hope it does. That'll serve a good example. And there I would have been out. But the reason I did that was this little shadow here showed me, all right, there's some more weakness. Maybe it's not going to bounce. So I had to just mitigate my risk, and just if I got somewhat of a bounce, what I did, I still made $45 on it. However, you saw it on level 2s. It was recording the whole time. We were trying to get bounced. It was hovering right around this area here, but couldn't quite get up there and hit me. Then it fell back down. So that told me, all right, maybe the bounce isn't going to happen. But I assume that it should still bounce up at least a little bit above my entry point, which it did, and I got out. And then, of course, it went up and hit where I originally wanted to get out. But that's not the point. The point was you saw it all unfold, showed some strength, got within just a couple cents of going for my 10-cent score, but then dropped and actually went below 59, which said, all right, which was okay because I could have built a bigger position and that would have been fine. However, it also told me, all right, maybe 59.05, or maybe going for the 10-cent score, maybe that's not going to happen anymore. Now let me just get out and try to get a new entry point. So that's what I'll try to do. I'll just re-enter. So 195, and it's not even half an hour into the day yet. So just under $200 for half an hour's worth of work. Not too bad. So I think I'm going to wrap it up now. I do have an order in at 58.75, but I'm going to wrap it up. If it gets filled, then we'll see how things unfold. But what I'm doing here, I'm just using charts. If you're not familiar, these are technical charts. You can use these for any time frame. So yes, I'm using them for very short-term day trading, but you can use them for medium-term trading or very long-term swing trading. It's just a measure of psychology. So if you want to learn how to do this, you can go to ClayTrader.com. That is my blog. I offer multiple courses. Also have a trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders during the day. Just talk stocks, alert stocks that are bouncing, breaking out, all that good stuff. So I'd encourage you to check that out. Very cost effective, literally less than 1 cup of coffee per week. So again, just go to claytrader.com and you can learn more about all that stuff. So I caught 3 trades for you, and really kind of 2 ideas that I changed my mind on that would have worked. But again, it all goes back to your personal preference, personal risk tolerance, and what you feel comfortable with. And remember, there's always going to be another opportunity right around the corner, so don't pigeonhole yourself into anything. So thanks for listening, and hopefully you learned something.